Hello friends, welcome to my channel Myra Creations and welcome back. So आज हम करेंगे ये wall clock. So ये मेरा base है and we gonna first do the coloring. So shall we start now? And this is my MDF base. So as you can see, it is 12 inches of base, and we'll start with the acrylic color for the base. So let's just start the coloring. So I have taken the Persian blue here for the sea. So this is my first video for resin art, and I have tried everything to explain everything, so you will able to understand what I'm going to make. So here I have colored like a sea. So as you can see, now I have taken the uh, sea green for the sea. So just give it a shade. I have just taken the acrylic color. Now here I have taken the sand color, which is the brown and very light brown mixed with white. So it will give a little shade of the sand for the base. So now we'll take the resin. So I have bought the crystal clear Varrox sorry Varrox crystal clear epoxy resin, and this is the hardener. So the resin part is to the ratio is 2:1. So let's take the resin now. So I have taken 100 grams of resin on the cup. So be prepared if you drop any resin on your hand or somewhere. So just wear the gloves. It is very safe to wear the gloves if you are doing for the first time. So I have taken which is 102 grams of resin, just 2 gram extra, and we'll take the 50 gram, which is the ratio of 2:1, 2 part of resin and 1 part of hardener. And now we'll mix it very nicely. So we'll start mixing it. At least you have to mix it for 10 to 15 minutes. That will be really good if you want to see the good result. So I have taken 4 different cups for 4 different colors. So I will use the pigment, which is the dark blue color pigment, the sea green pigment, and the sand pigment, and white. So I have 4 different pigments. So the quantity of the pigment, it's up to you. You can take if you want more bluish color. So this is my little shiny color. I have a little shiny pigment, so I will take, this is the blue one, dark blue, and I will take the 4 different. So as you can see, I have taken the 4 different colors, the sea green, white, blue, dark blue, and the little golden color for the sand, and I have mixed it really well. And now we'll start dropping. So we'll start with the blue color, the Persian blue color. So you can just mix it with hand, or you can just do it with the spatula or something. So one more important thing you have to remember, जो बहुत ही important है, is your surface. आपका जो surface है वो बहुत ही smooth and equal होना चाहिए. Otherwise your resin will flow on one direction. So be prepared if you find the base like up and down little bit. So just see that. And one more thing is the blowtorch. So I have used here blowtorch, which you can find on stationery shop or any nearby shop. You can find that. And the blowtorch works really well if you have a little bubbles on your resin. So अगर आपके resin में bubbles आते हैं, so it is very important to blow torch it. उससे काफ़ी सारा bubbles जो है वो blow up हो जाएगा. And now I have used here my hair dryer for just give it a mix and stir. So it give it a little look of the sea. And now we'll use the white. So my white is also little shinier, as I have different kind of pigment, and I really like to work with different pigments. So every time when you drop your resin, so just blow torch it. It will give a very crystal clear, as you can see the shadow as well right now. So if you don't blow torch it, it will appear bubble. So many bubbles will appear on the same part. So as you can see, the little waves are coming up. So I will again blow torch it. So when I will see a bubble, I will blow torch it. So the bubble will pop up, and now we'll use on the edge the white pigment. And again blow and again hair dry it, so give it a little wavy look. So as you can see, it is really coming up beautifully. So just try to slow your hair dryer as on minimum. If your hair dry will be on a higher speed, it will just blow everything up. So when you start doing with your hair dryer, so try to minimize its speed, so it will not blow everything up. Now again we'll pour a little white pigment, white color. So we'll make again one wave up there. So if you don't have blowtorch or hair dryer, you can just uh, uh, use a heat gun, which you can also find nearby. Heat gun is also very popular when using the resin, but I pref- mostly prefer the hair dryer and the doing with this stuff. So as you can see now, it is very clear, and you can see my image over there. So let it dry for a day, so the surface will dry up. And again I have, on the next day, I have taken the resin two part. it's not a specific amount. I have taken just like 50 grams, 50 grams, and do half of it. One is white and one is very clear. I haven't added any pigments, so as you can see, and mix it really well. Again, I am saying mix it really well. If you don't mix it well, it will not give you a very nice result, because that happens with me too when I was new in the resin. So mix it very well. So we'll make a second wave, which it gives a 3D look. So make it again one wave over here. So I hope you're enjoying all my videos. I have many new videos over there on my YouTube channel. You can go and enjoy my videos, and I hope you are learning. So if you really enjoy my work, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So as you can see, it is looking very beautiful and 3D. If you want, you can make more waves, more 3D waves. Like I have just done the two layers, one on the bottom and one extra layer. And if you want 3 layers or 2 layers more, so you can also just make it more 2 layers of the waves. But I feel this is the better to do, like 2 layers is the good one. You can also add some shells, starfish or any other stuff on the sand side, but I didn't need it, so I haven't added anything because it looks beautiful to me. So I hope you all enjoyed my video and learned something. um, Please, if you really like my video, like, share and subscribe my channel Myra Creations. And for more upcoming video, hit the bell icon. See you all soon. Bye bye.